everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name's Christina and today is going to be my update for my Stardew Valley project pan. This project pan was started by my friend Rose, who I will have linked down in the description, so definitely go check out her video. She is the original creator of this project pan. Basically the idea was to take the game Stardew Valley, take characters from it, and pull products based on those characters. This is a rolling project and there are 5 products in it currently, so let's go ahead, let's get into this. I feel like I look a mess today. It feels like a Monday. Happy Monday, everyone. First product that I want to go over is the one that I picked for Sebastian. I picked a eyeliner, which is the eyeliner I'm wearing today. It's basically the only eyeliner I wear, and I don't really have a good way of tracking this, unfortunately, because I can't see through it. It's still fully opaque. I don't think it's running out. I have used this 10 times, so we're making good progress, but definitely no way for me to know where we're at, you know? But still making steady progress with this. I'm just hoping to use this up and kind of see how long it takes to use up an entire eyeliner. Next product is for Haley, and for that I picked a lip gloss. I am wearing the lip gloss right now as well, and it is the BH Cosmetics So Extra lip gloss in the color Caffeinated. I do think I've made a little bit of progress. I ended up not using this as much as I thought I would. I used it about 6 times, and what I ended up doing was I put it at my streaming setup, so when I was live on Twitch, I was like, oh, I can reapply. I like rarely did that. I think I did it maybe once because putting on lip gloss in the middle of stream isn't exactly easy to do. Lip balm's a little bit easier, but not so much lip gloss. So I made a little bit of progress, but again, definitely not where I want to be. I don't think my goal was to finish this though. I think my goal was to just get it halfway. So we are definitely still pushing along with that and doing well. The third product that we're gonna go over is for Willie the Fisherman. So for that, I picked my Lorac Pirates of the Caribbean palette, and we're working on Lost Soul, which is the contour shade. Again, this is something else that I think I made a little bit of progress with, but not too much. I mean, it's been 1 month. Used it about 10 times as well, and there's a little bit of movement. Goal with this is to completely finish it, and I still feel really, really good about that. So definitely think I will have that guy done before the end of this project. Next item is for Elliot, and for Elliot I picked a blush. This is the CoverGirl True Blend So Flush blush in the color Love Me. This blush is so pretty, but again, I didn't end up using it as much as I thought. I used it 3 times. My goal with this is to use it 30 times and then roll it out, so I'm not close to doing that at all 3 times. Christina. 3 times. I mean, 3 is my favorite number, so okay, I'll let it pass, but definitely need to be making sure I'm using this a lot more next month. I've just been so into my cream blushes that I tend to just gravitate towards those first, but next month I'm gonna try and see if I can almost get this rolled out, because that'd be really cool. I don't know if I'll be able to do, what did I say, I've done it 3 times. I don't think I'll be able to wear this 27 times next month. Maybe, if it's the only blush I wear really, but we'll see. Probably another 2 months in. And then the final product is for Abigail. The item I picked for that was from the Dominique Cosmetics Celestial Thunder palette, and I picked the shade Mystic Ice. This is another one that my goal was to just use it 30 times. I only used this twice. I used it as like an accent color twice, and then I tried to use it as like an eyeliner one day, and I hated how it looked, so I ended up not like keeping it. So I'm not gonna count that. So really I only did twice, I guess 3 times technically, but twice. It was something that I actually wore for a longer period than 5 seconds and then going, I hate it. So again, got a long way to go. It's gonna be in here for a few months. I don't know how much more I can incorporate this. I have a lot of project pans with eyeshadows in it, so that's why I'm only doing 30. It's really hard just to use a lot of eyeshadows at one time, you know? I think that's everything, and I think that's all the products. That, guys, is the entire update for my Stardew Valley project pan. I know this is a really, really quick video. Not too much to like show you guys on this one. This is just the initial update, so not too much, not too exciting, but I'm hoping next month I can hopefully get that lip gloss out, potentially get the blush out if I wear that blush like every single day that I wear makeup this upcoming month. We'll see. It's possible, but probably in a couple months we'll have a really exciting update, which I am looking forward to. But thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, definitely make sure to hit the thumbs up button. Also make sure to hit that subscribe button if you haven't yet. I upload on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. On this channel, I do a lot of project panning, so if that's something that interests you, definitely hit that subscribe button. I also have a booktube and a Twitch archive/gaming channel, which are always linked in the cards for you guys. On every video I try to include them. If you can't find them there, then if you go to the channels page on my main YouTube page, they're there as well. I also stream on Twitch on Wednesdays through Fridays, and the Twitch link is down in my description always, so definitely check that out as well. And I hope you guys are all doing well. Remember, there is always magic to be found, and I hope that means I see all of you in my next video. Bye! Why did I wave with two hands? Bye!
Alright, ooh baby, just hold tight. We're up at the moonlight, believe in the magic. On side, we'll make it feel just right. Just look at that bright light, believe in the magic. And we can save you from your